Hello everyone. Today we are exploring key documents in automotive manufacturing and quality control. These documents ensure that every part meets design, safety and performance standards before production. Let's break down their importance. Why documentation matters in automotive manufacturing? This ensures traceability, compliance and consistency in production. This helps in defect prevention and process standardization. This is used by the design, manufacturing and quality teams to maintain uniformity. Let us take an example. Door trim manufacturing process. Every component undergoes design validation, prototype approvals and production feasibility studies, which is documented in a PPAP and some quality reports. What key documents every design engineer should know? The design records like CAD models, drawings, bill of materials defines all the specifications. Process flow drawing. This maps out the entire manufacturing process. Control plan. This lists the critical control points for maintaining the quality. Dimensional inspection reports. This confirms the parts dimensions. Material certification. Certificate of analysis. This verifies the raw materials compliances. Example, PPAP documentation for interior panels ensures dimensional, material and functional requirements are met even before the mass production. How does this quality control document impact design and manufacturing? First one, DFMEA, Design Failure Mode and Defect Analysis. This identifies the potential design flaws. Next is the PFMEA, Process Failure Mode and Defect Analysis. This reduces the manufacturing risks. Inspection reports and CMM data. This ensures parts consistency. Supplier quality reports. This tracks suppliers' compliance towards automotive standards. Example again, injection molded door trim inspection. A dimensional inspection report ensures that attachment features aligns perfectly during vehicle assembly. Best practices for handling manufacturing and quality documents. One should maintain an organized document system for easy references. One should ensure the version control to track the design changes. One should collaborate with suppliers to align the quality documentation. One should regularly update control plans based on the production feedback. And that's an overview of key documents in automotive manufacturing and quality control. This ensures smooth production, regulatory compliance and high quality vehicle components. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more automotive insights.